We've been working with Adopt a Class for a few years now, and our team is just very passionate about making products that matter for the world. And what that really means is helping real humans solve problems. And working with Adopt a Class has been an opportunity for us to teach the next generation of doctors, engineers, designers, creators, writers, find what their space within product development might be.
What I learned today is like more things I can put my mind to, like problem solving, building, sketching. A career, I think I see myself designing, because a lot of things that y'all do here, y'all design a lot, and it really shows me what I can do.
Some of the things we do here may not be seen by a lot of students, not understand where that comes, so being able to give them that experience to understand what a product development firm does and how we go about our day-to-day is really cool. 3 years down and hopefully many more years to come.
Our field trip day is the day that we look forward to the most. We love to have the kids in here and get to show them firsthand what a day in our life looks like. And just getting to collaborate and learn about the future of tomorrow is tremendously rewarding, and we could not be more thrilled to get to do that.